What's going on, y'all? This is Josh from Drive the Coast. Once again, down here at the beach, checking out the gorgeous Gulf of Mexico here in Destin, as well as checking out this super cool 1979 Bronco Ranger XLT. Absolutely gorgeous truck with super slick black paint. Beautiful graphic package. It did actually come from the factory. This paint is super slick. I want to show the reflection. You see here the condos. It's just a gorgeous reflection. Obviously me here. Nice set of tires and wheels. You got Yokohamas. I mean, the bottom of the doors is all super clean. Interior is all brand new. Was just restitched. It's got the high back seats. Love this interior. Like I said, brand new, super soft. Was just all restitched. Brand new carpet. Dash is all in excellent shape. The air conditioning is actually blowing cold. You can see the brand new rebuilt compressor up there. Takes a lot of time and money to make these old systems work, but this one is blowing and blowing cold. Starts right up, first key, no issues. Back seat's in good shape as well. Got the pop-up seat here. Back window motor has also been rebuilt. Even the side panels, like I said, carpet, the whole 9 yards. Interior's in excellent shape. Console's in excellent shape. Hardtop's in excellent shape. Just beautiful condition. We got the passenger door open, courtesy light turns on. Headliner's all good. Visors is all good. Door panels is all good. New carpet there on the bottom. Going up front, the grill looks brand new. Bumper's in super nice shape. Even though all the trim doesn't have a dent on it, this stuff's all definitely new. Like I said, super nice condition. Butter smooth paint. I love this paint so much. All wheel well moldings look brand new. Don't see any chips on the windshield anywhere. Windows roll up and down like they should. Fires right up, first key. So I was gonna show the window real quick and then we'll fire it up. Got brand new carpet all the way back. Side panels is all brand new. It's super nice condition. Window goes up like it should. Tailgate, got no rust in it. Just beautiful condition. Bumper as well. Look at these quarters. Quarters are super clean. It's the kind of truck we like. Original Vintag still on there. Factory rivets. I love this truck. Gonna be a lucky owner. It's the hard part of my job is getting rid of these things. Got power steering. I also noticed a brand new brake booster on there. Wipers working like they should. Obviously got the 4x4 cruise control. Have not verified if that's working or not, but anyway, y'all, while we wait to get out of our parking spot here, Drive the Coast does offer financing as well as nationwide shipping on all the cars and trucks that we have for sale. You can finance anything with 10% down, 660 credit score. Feel free to apply online or contact me. Nationwide shipping at very reasonable rates. You can see she's just one hand on the wheel. Should be a C4 automatic, I believe. A 3-speed transmission. Just tooling around, you know. Another beautiful day at the beach. Y'all come see us. My number is 850-502-1899. Please let me know I can earn your business on this beautiful Bronco. Thanks.